Thanks for joining us for another episode. In this episode, we're going to do a quick review on a gutter guard. This particular gutter guard is a solid hood type gutter guard. This one, the exact name of it, it's called American Gutter Guard. It doesn't really represent the name too well because the gutter guard itself is completely clogged all the way around the house. But we can save it. Customer really, she spent a good deal of money on it, so she wants to save the guard. What we're going to do is we're going to go around and clean it out. You can get, I should say, better results at a lot more affordable price going with the type of guard that we recommend, which is the aluminum perforated. So I'm going to show you real quick exactly what we found in here. So you got these couple screws right there. I think that's all. It's actually, we're going to want to take this off. And then it's screwed to this fascia board. So you pop them off, and as you can see, what we found in that gutter, in that camera real quick. You got it? So as you can see what we found in the gutter, you see all the debris in here. I mean, you just got piles, and these are all the seed pods, all the helicopters. So with this individual tree, and what's happening is you got these slots in the front, and when you have all these helicopters, 200,000-300,000 of them, they're just basically just working their way into that crack, and they're building up, as you can see here, just piles of the helicopters. I'm hoping we don't find it all down the gutter. It is definitely possible to have that amount of debris going all the way down the gutter. Let's see if... Basically, once you take the screws off, the one thing I do want to say, you always want to be careful that there's no bees nest under there. They love, almost every time I remove these gutter guards, I will always find bees that end up having their hives on the top of these gutter guards. So always be careful when you're lifting that up, especially when it's hot out. So as you can see, we removed that one section. What is actually in there, there's still a screw here. As you can see there, you can see the amount of helicopters that are at the actual seed pods that are actually in the gutter. So unfortunately, we're probably going to find this down most of the gutters. So I just wanted to add that on there just to kind of show you what you can expect from this type of system. This review would fall under most of your hood type gutter guard. This is the amount of debris that is actually coming out of the valleys. And there's a valley right up above this ladder. There's a couple more of them in the back. And this is all the debris that was being held in these valleys, front, and same amount of debris in the back valleys, because there is no gutter guard for a valley. And that's one of the things you want to note. No matter what gutter guard you get, you're always going to have debris in the valleys. Some homes are worse than others. With this gutter guard, it's a little worse because they had to install those diverters, about a 2-inch diverter in the valley, because the water was overshooting the gutter. And that's like a hand that just naturally holds more debris. And as you can come around there, Jake, just get that valley on there. And as you can see, the valley with that diverter ends up holding more debris, having that diverter up there. So you don't really want to install them unless you really have to. With this guard, you had no other choice. So that's basically it. Like I said, just to recap that, I would give the guard a 2-star, not recommend it, because it's really not going to give you what you're really looking for, and the cost is just, it's not going to be really worth the cost. So if you have any comments on this individual gutter guard or on any of the gutter guard reviews, shoot a comment below. We'll get your response back. Thanks for watching. Until next time.